Hey there, it's Rick with Advanced AV and Automation. So what do you do when you're in the kitchen and you can't see the TV that's in the living room? Well, of course, you get a motorized mount, and then you program it to Control 4 on this button right here. And when you press that button, the TV will then come out and angle itself toward the kitchen so you can see it a little better. And when you're done watching TV in the kitchen, of course, you press the home button, which is this one right here, and your TV will return back to its spot over the fireplace. And now, here it is over the fireplace. And then if I do that again and angle it out, what we've also done is added the ability to also control it from the Control 4 touchscreen right here. If I go to TV and hit the angle, get a little glare, hit the home button, the TV will also return back to its home position. Yeah, so let us know if this is something you can use in your home. There we go, back to home.